In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a gallery page layout in Pages and add your media content. To get started, open Chrome and navigate to the Pages Setup area. Once you're there, look for the directory listing, where the menus are arranged in a tree-style layout with expandable rows. This section is important because it helps you move through the available page settings in a clear and organized way. Take a moment to locate the correct area before making any changes, especially if your workspace contains multiple sections or nested menu items. Next, expand the available options by clicking the plus icons. These icons reveal additional layout choices that may be hidden under each category. As you open the relevant sections, look for the specific gallery page layout structure and select the option that matches the unit type you want to use. Choosing the correct structure at this stage matters because it determines how your gallery content will be displayed and organized later on. If several similar options appear, pause briefly and confirm you're selecting the intended gallery layout before moving forward. Once the gallery structure is selected, move to the Media Manager panel. Here, you can drag and drop your image or video assets directly into the upload area. Place the files into the panel window and let them upload into the frames lane. Depending on file size and connection speed, this may take a few moments, so it's a good idea to wait until the upload is fully complete before editing any content. Make sure the correct media appears in the right place, especially if you're uploading multiple items for different slides or segments. After your assets are in place, begin adding the text details for each slide. Enter the title, meta captions, and any other content details into the appropriate text fields tied to the specific slide content segments and rows. This is where you give each gallery item context and make the page feel polished and informative. Be consistent with your wording and formatting so the gallery looks professional and easy to read. When everything has been reviewed and all content appears correctly, click Save. This final step applies your layout selection, media uploads, and text updates. Before leaving the page, it's always helpful to quickly confirm that your changes have been stored successfully. And that's it. You've completed the gallery page setup and added your content in a clean, structured way.